At Titan Crushing, with its flagship brand Diamond Crushers in the crushing and screening industry for more than 55 years. As we speak today, the vision of Titan Crushing as in Diamond Crushers is very clear, that to achieve recognition as the top 3 Indian manufacturer in the crushing and screening and washing industry. The mission is to focus ethically on serving our customers with well-engineered design products and pan-India service, easily available spare parts, and to serve the pan-India market. Titan as a legacy was always a regional player known for its high-end jaw crushers, which are operating pan-India. As we speak today, we are proud to announce that we have increased our footprints pan-India, manufacturing and supplying plants up to 400 ton per hour, which have successfully launched and made a growth path for Titan Crushing.
This is a newly built manufacturing facility of Titan crushing equipment, nearly about 45,000 square feet area. We are manufacturing cone crusher, jaw crusher, VSI with quality manufacturing and skilled manpower.
As per market survey, we are the top-most service provider for the customers. Our customer base is very big now.
Our manufacturing units in Pune and Bangalore, ranging to more than 75,000 square feet and a state-of-the-art machining facilities, help us achieve the entire range of crushing and screening products, right from the fixed shaft cone to the floating shaft cone to state-of-the-art VSIs, and jaw crushers up to 400 ton per hour.